Hi guys. Shoot. Hi guys, welcome back. And today, oh look, I have unlimited time now.
I do that. Alright, let's do you.
No. Jacob just threw a bottle at me. It didn't. Jacob, no. Ketchup. Okay. So yeah, guys, Jacob, stop throwing stuff.
Okay. Here, wash my hands.
Alright, so yeah, I see you. Jacob. So yeah, guys, I'm thinking about buying a. Alright, I'm thinking of buying a Oswald. You know, from Disney, that Oswald was taken away.
You can't tell me.
What?
You can't tell me. But don't.
Stop throwing stuff.
What are you throwing stuff, man?
Alright, so yeah, I'm thinking about buying an Oswald. I have enough money to buy an Oswald. So we already have a Mickey, so I might even start Oswald and Mickey. But I'm gonna be playing as Oswald, and I think I'm also gonna be playing as Mickey.
No, I'm playing as Mickey.
So Jiggy's gonna be playing as Mickey. I'm gonna be playing as Oswald. Oh my God!
You cleaned that up on.
Thank you. So yeah, I'm probably gonna. So yeah, I promised you guys that I would make a FNAF movie. Oh
That's you.
So you could just got something like like you put nails in and take them out.
I'll let you.
Also, guys, check out sucker. Alright, so also, you know, yesterday I said that me and Jacob that I was gonna start a Pokemon and Five Nights at Freddy's and Mario series. I think I'm only gonna, but that's canceled. The Pokemon and the FNAF and the the Mario series, the ones that
like
Mario plus Pokemon plus FNAF.
Oh, it works now.
Series.
I fixed it. You just have to throw it on the ground.
So yeah,
I fixed
I'm
it.
not making that. So I'm actually probably gonna make a like a Fallout plushies. And also I'm also gonna start making Mickey Mouse and Oswald meet Freddy. Probably even Bendy. I can get a Bendy plush, but I don't have enough money. I'm gonna have enough money when I get my money.
Look,
That's here. That's coming, guys.
Hola, ¿qué estás haciendo? ¿Putito? Ahí está el Tito Putito para mí.
Screw you.
Oh yeah, I fixed it.
No había tamales, pero no de los que sí te gustan, papi.
Oh.
Daddy,
Oh yeah, then I
Jacob
fixed it.
fixed it.
I fixed it.
He threw it.
I threw it on the ground and it broke and then this little top broke and then I pressed the button.
Is this
again,
all mine?
This
is mine.
Yes, McDonald's.
I just
Alright,
got
guys,
McDonald's.
we're
Going to McDonald's later too. Huh.
Dad, I was doing cook-off.
Yeah, you made a huge mess.
Mira, papi, había tamales, pero no había de los que a ti te gustan, mira. Son de los otros.
No, that you don't have some.
No, con
The
cacahuate.
circle ones or?
Alright guys, I'm eating right now.
Where's mine?
That's Alan. That's a guy
Comete eso,
who
papi.
changed the name.
Dale, órale.
And so here, my dad, Alan.
The McGuffin.
Alan,
Oh, you can have that
¿por
one.
qué no te los comes?
Yeah, I tried it before.
Es huevo.
Cheese.
So my dad's like, you guys can't see my dad because I don't think my dad wants to be on camera.
What?
He never
Wait, I
watches
can't
YouTube. He only watches things on Facebook.
Cómetelos. Checa, es el mismo queso que le echan a las pizzas. Apúrale.
Well, then don't eat. Don't get out of it.
No, que no come. Pues se lo va a comer por lo que dije ayer.
Oh, yeah. You see Alan's eating corner.
Are you just gonna like show people what you're eating and stuff? 'Cause that's
No,
Es queso, papi.
I'm gonna talk about stuff.
Jacob,
boring. What?
Oh, yeah.
cheese.
Oh shoot.
The egg has cheese, the bun has cheese, everything has cheese.
I'm taking the cheese off. I see you're getting off.
And now Alan and Tig are fighting. Like always.
Like
Yo les he
always.
dicho que no quiero las hables estos días, pero están comiendo.
One's recording.
I'm recording. I'm making a video. Don't end it. Still making it. If you end it, I'm gonna have to restart the whole thing.
Yeah,
Alan, get out of here. It's
I
not your
took off
Give me
channel.
your eggs.
Y ese,
Alan, it's
It's
not
all-
your channel.
Dang it.
Give me
it's
an
still-
egg.
You
You
already
guys
ate one.
Oh,
One more egg.
Juan, do you want cheese on both sides? Oh, dang it.
I do.
Oh, then, wait, did you eat your other one?
No.
okay.
Your other one? Yay. Oh, no cheese. There no cheese. And off the cheese. Yes. I'm gonna eat that one later. I took off the cheese.
How about the eggs?
The egg. This one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat that later.
Like, I'm gonna eat that later. Look, you made a plain one?
If you wanted that, you could have just bought him the deluxe.
Le iba a traer tamales si no había. Por eso no le traje eso.
I
Yeah.
broke it from here and then it started working again.
Una tu madre.
I'm trying to show my dad on camera.
But you can't.
Yeah.
Because this glass not working. Oh,
Can I have your eggs?
No.
No,
Yeah, one.
I don't think my dad will let.
Dad,
will
can
let
I
me.
have one's eggs?
See?
Me lo voy a comer ahorita.
He already ate mine. He already ate one of
Sí, pero
mine.
otro te vas a comer.
Juan hates vegetables.
I only like carrots. That's all.
He ate broccoli and lettuce.
And tomatoes.
I hate the whole rest of the vegetables except carrots.
So you hate pepinos?
Yeah.
Pepino's not a vegetable.
Oh yeah. So you hate tomatoes? I'm kidding.
He hates everything except for
There goes.
carrots.
But you don't eat them at school, Juan.
Cause I don't like the one that's full.
But they're the same.
So now, guys, I'm starting to make videos on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays.
Juan.
What?
Who gives? Oh.
So you guys can see, my mom's not here because she doesn't want to be on camera.
Party animals.
My mom's at
That's
work.
what Five Nights
I
at
know.
Freddy's. Oh yeah. You guys realize we got new shirts.
That sound is so horrible.
So I think I'm gonna end the video right here.
And I might throw some more stuff at Juan later.
So remember, I might probably, well, yesterday Jake actually asked my dad a question, and that question was, does my dad know Oswald?
And well, he knows him.
Who?
Hey, Oswald.
Oswald the Lucky Rabbit?
Yeah.
My dad knows him. It's because he doesn't know why they took him off TV.
That's sad.
They sold the rights.
Huh?
They sold the rights of Oswald the Lucky Rabbit to another company.
Oh,
Dude, are we supposed to say our videos?
I think
Yes.
we are. Alright.
And that's why I'm buying an Oswald Plus.